Alright, so I received a very, very good tip for Dead Island and surviving the zombie apocalypse, and that was repairing weapons. Apparently, you have to repair your weapons for them to do substantial damage. So what you do is you go over to this workbench here, and you spend your hard-earned money, you repair the fucking weapon, and then what you do is you take it right over here, and you throw the son of a bitch right off the fucking cliff, because I don't give a shit about that! Fuck it! That's it! God damn it! Fuck that! Fuck! Fuck that! Fuck! That's it! Shit! Fuck this keyboard! Fuck you! Pay the cabin! Repair my goddamn weapon! Fuck you! Fuck you! Ah! 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 Fuck! Shit! Fuck! Shit! Shit! Ah! Ah! Why can't you just leave me alone? Ah! Oh, my keyboard is broken! My keyboard is broken! Oh, somebody needs to sponsor me so I can buy a new one! Ah! Ah!
What's the holdup?
Why give me one just let me play how I want to fucking play? How do you let me break my keyboard? Ah! Ah! Who the fuck's gonna clean this up? I'm not cleaning it all. Don't make me! Don't make me! I'm gonna break this pencil! I'm gonna break this pencil!